What's he like? Oh, Argentinian, tall, handsome. Oh, wow, fantastic. A new boyfriend for you, maybe. Oh. Oh. Maybe, but don't tell Bridget.
Hector, please, call me Gigi.
Oh, Hector, call me Gigi. Must go, more news later. Hey.
Is Hector still asleep?
Yep.
Hector, wakey wakey. Come on, rise and shine. Sweet.
Oh.
Good morning.
Oh, good morning.
No. Good morning.
Oh, good morning.
No, Hector. I have a cold.
And so have I.
Oh, you have a cold, Bridget.
Yes, I have a cold.
Yes, we have a cold. So, let's begin again. Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, never mind.
Hector, would you like some new pyjamas?
Hmm?
Hector, please excuse me for a moment. Psst, Annie, bathroom. Now.
Good morning.
Good morning. Is it fancy dress?
Fancy dress? Yes.
Oh, nice.
Huh.
Hey, nice car, eh?
I have this car at home.
Wow, you have this car at home?
Mm-hmm.
Girls must love you.
Girls? No.
No? Hector, can I tell you something?
Okay.
The car looks good. Huh? So you must look good too.
I look good.
No, you don't look good. But I can help.
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Hector's clothes are awful.
Oh, they're so old-fashioned.
I know. I'll take him shopping.
But Bridget, you're so busy. I'll take him shopping.
No, it's all right. I'll take him shopping.
It's no problem. I'll take him shopping.
I said I'll take him shopping.
You need a... Oh, hi, babe.
Oh, it's you, Nick.
Oh, hi, Nick.
Hector has asked me what clothes to wear.
Yeah, right.
So you need a look like on a fast bike.
No, Hector. Don't listen to Nick. Listen to me.
Okay.
You need a designer look.
No, Hector, that's not for you. You need a cowboy look.
No, a leather jacket.
A bandana and a vest.
A denim shirt.
A motorbike.
Designer.
Cowboy.
Stop! Okay. I will go shopping.
What? On your own?
But you need us.
Oh.
How? What will you say?
It's okay. Leave it to me. I am the shopkeeper, you are the customer.
Huh?
This is a shop. I sell, you buy.
Oh, okay. Ding dong. Good morning.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, I
would like...
Oh, I would like a jacket, please.
Trousers.
Huh?
I would like a pair of trousers, please.
Oh, I would like a pair of trousers, please. And a shirt.
No. Shoes. I would like a pair of shoes, please.
I would like a pair of shoes, please. And a cat for my head.
I think you mean a hat. Look. This is a cat.
A cat for my head! A cat for my head!
Hector, come shopping with me.
Or me?
No, me.
He's my pen friend.
All right. Me, you and you will go shopping for Hector a little bit each. I will go to the shoe shop.
And I will go to the clothes shop.
No, I'll go to the clothes shop.
Okay, I'll just buy the shirt.
I'll buy the trousers.
Good.
Good.
Right, let's go. Oh, no! I completely forgot. We need eggs, lemons and dog food. Oh, it's all right. I'll do it online later.
Eggs, lemons, dog food.
Oh, well done, Hector.
Bye, Hector. Oh, and don't answer the phone. It might be the tarantula.
Bye, Hector. Be good. And if you can't be good, be careful.
Huh?
Never mind.
Good morning, sir. I would like a cat for my head. A cat. Oh, room service. Hello? I would like an egg for my head. Lemons for my head. Oh, dog food for my head. The tarantula.
Okay, who's that?
Hello?
Where's Bridget?
Where is Bridget? Me. I am Bridget.
I don't believe you.
Yes, I have a cold. Achoo!
Oh, I'm sorry.
Achoo! Oh, thank you. Achoo! Shh, Charlie.
Is that a dog?
No, no. He's not a dog. He's Annie. Yes, Annie has a cold also.
Oh, poor Annie.
Thank you. Achoo. Goodbye. Achoo. Achoo. Oh. Oh. Ole. I am Hector. I speak English. Eggs, lemons, dog food. Eggs, lemons, dog food. Oh, hi, good afternoon, Annie.
Good afternoon, Hector. Oh, I bought this for you.
Oh, what is it?
Try it on.
Huh?
Try it on.
Try it on. Oh, try it on. Oh.
Where's Hector? In the bathroom. Good. I'll give this to him.
It's okay, I'll give it to him.
No, it's all right.
Hector? Hector? I've got something for you.
Oh, okay. Come in.
Spoil sport.
Hector? Hector?
Hello?
Here are your clothes. You will look so cool.
Cool?
Cool.
Cool.
Nice melons.
Melons? Who are those from?
I think Hector has been shopping online. Oh, I'm really thirsty. I need a drink.
But we don't need any melons.
Well, he did try. And he bought some eggs. Yeah. Just a few. So, how did Hector do the shopping? Aha! Hector ordered 10 melons instead of 10 lemons. Oh, an easy mistake. He did try.
Yes, he did try.
What about the eggs?
Okay, eggs. You buy a dozen eggs, yeah?
Yep, a dozen is 10.
A dozen is 12, stupid.
I know.
Well, Hector has put the number 12 here.
Well, that's okay. That's one box.
No, he ordered 12 boxes.
144.
Now, dog food.
I can't wait.
Okay, I'm ready.
We're ready.
Enter!
Do you like it? Well,
I like the shirt.
I like the sarong.
I like the shoes.
so, am I cool? No, I'm not cool.
No.
So, I will go shopping.
Here we go again. Hector, you can't go out there on your own. You went shopping on the internet.
Yes.
You ordered melons instead of lemons. And too many eggs. Have you ever been to a supermarket?
No, my
Who are these?
my
Servants.
yeah, my servants.
Servants. Now I understand.
Come on, Hector. I will teach you how to shop, Hector.
Till you drop. Bridget and I will be the shopkeepers.
And you are our customer.
Okay. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Can I help you, sir?
Well?
What would you like to buy?
Oh, I would like some.
Clothes.
Yes, I would like some clothes, please.
What size?
Huh?
What, size?
I don't know.
I'll have to measure you then. Arms up, please.
Huh?
Arms up, please.
Oh, arms up, please.
Chest. Ooh, 112 centimeters.
Chest 112 centimeters.
And waist, 82 centimeters.
Waist 82 centimeters.
And leg.
I'll do that.
No, it's okay.
No, I shall do that. 87 centimeters.
trousers. Do you like this shirt?
Yes.
Good. That's, £5,000, please.
Okay.
No, Hector. £5,000 is $8,000.
Yeah.
It's too much. It's too expensive.
Not for Hector.
So, I am ready to go shopping.
Good luck.
Yeah, good luck.
You'll need it.
Where's my lemon drink, Nick?
Nick, are there any more tissues?
All right, I'm coming as fast as I can. Okay.
Oh, I feel awful.
Oh, me too. Nothing will make me feel better.
Oh, can you get that, please, Nick?
It's only Hector.
Well, is it cool?
Wow, man. Well done. You look great.
I would like a shirt, please.
Excellent. Oh, the clothes are super.
And a pair of trousers.
Oh, you are clever, Hector.
And a pair of shoes, please. I have been shopping.
Oh, I'll get it.
Hello?
It's me.
Oh, hello. It's the tarantula. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Good, good.
How's your cold?
How's my cold? How do you know I have a cold?
You told me this morning.
Me, I am Richard.
I don't believe you.
Yes, I have a cold. A shoot.
Oh, I'm
Thank
sorry.
you. A shoot.
Yes, silly me. I told you this morning.
Why are 400 tins of dog food here, Granny?
Pardon? I don't know. How strange.
400 tins.
Yes, that's a lot of tins. Well, I really don't know.
Can you ask Granny?
Yes, I'll ask Annie. Goodbye. The tarantula said, why have 400 tins of dog food downstairs? 400 tins?
Hector.